Hi guys, we're at CRMC and today we're here with
Charmaine.
Charmaine. What company are you from?
I'm from Albertsons.
Albertsons is probably going to do some really amazing stuff with AI. That's our theme of the year. Is there anything that you're excited about in AI-driven and tech-driven marketing?
The ever-evolving trends, personalization is becoming more and more important. And I think it's very hard to manually take millions and millions of customers and try to create a personalized journey for them manually. But I think with the help of AI, you can do a better personalization journey.
Absolutely. Well, I think Albertsons does a really good job of that. Remembering what kind of groceries you buy, some of their marketing tactics. I'm like, oh, that saves me time and it's personalized. It's really nice. How many CRMCs have you been to?
This is my first one.
Very first. Welcome. What are you excited about seeing during CRMC?
I'm really excited about the networking and getting to know people and products that are available and can be used to leverage our loyalty program.
Thank you for coming.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy the event, enjoy the networking, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.